Today we are going to learn HSK vocabulary lesson for new words. G, G, G. Please repeat after me. G, G, G. One. A, N. Measure for almost everything. Sui, 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 sui. Please repeat after me. Sui, sui, sui. Ear, measure year old. Fan, fan, fan. Please repeat after me. Fan, fan, fan. Volume, root, basis, foundation, origin. She, she, she. Please repeat after me. She, she. Some, why, 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 why. Please repeat after me. Why, 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 why. Is, who, who, who. Please repeat after me. Who, who, who. No. May, may, may. Please repeat after me. May, may, may. No. Hun, hun, hun. Please repeat after me. Hun, hun, hun. Quite, very. Die, die, die. Please repeat after me. Die, die, die. Two. So, 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 so. Please repeat after me. So, 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 so. Or one more time. G. 1 a.m. Pay for almost everything. Sui. Here. 1. Volume. She. Some. Why. Is. Who. No. May. No. And. Quite. Very. Die. To. So. Are.
Please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.